Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add affiliate links in YouTube Shorts. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add affiliate links to your YouTube Shorts, share them the right way, and follow YouTube policies and best practices. So first and foremost, you have to join an affiliate program. So you can just basically go to any web browser and then search for affiliate programs. As you can see here, there are tons of affiliate programs that you can basically join or register. All you have to do is to click. We have here Shopify and we have here also Amazon. And actually there are tons like NordVPN and so on. What you're going to do is you have to get or choose a product that genuinely fits your content and audience. And then once approved, you will receive a unique affiliate link for each product you promote. So basically you need to register first, for example, in Shopify or in Amazon, let's just say, in order for you to get a unique affiliate link. So by creating Amazon account alone will not get you any affiliate link. So you have to join the program. Same as in Shopify, you have to register, create an account, build a store, and then you can promote your Shopify account. And when people visits your site, I mean open or click your YouTube and then click your link, visit your store or your site and purchase something there, and then you can earn. So for example, the Amazon here, what you're going to do in Amazon is you have to basically register, create an account. And then once you're approved, then you can look for any type of product right here. So basically, you have to make sure that this is the product or choose the product that genuinely fits your content and audience. Okay. So, for example, if you want to, or if you like creating videos for technology or like bottles or anything here, then you have to look for the product and then promote. So it's really good that you know the product. Okay, it's an advantage that you should know the product before you promote it. Okay, so just again look for an affiliate program and then join. Once you have your program with you, like the Amazon, select a specific product. And what you're going to do here is you have to um, see or look for products. And then what you're going to do is you have to save photos, create a video out from these pictures and images. So if you want to make a unique and wonderful product video or content video, I strongly suggest to use Canva. Actually, this one is optional. You can also use CapCut or other editing tool. But if you want to add more or if you want to be more creative to your content, to your YouTube shorts, I strongly suggest to use Canva. It's a free editing tool, but I also strongly suggest to upgrade into Pro. So, for example, if you want to promote this or if you have this product already, so what you're going to do is save the photos or images, okay, for example, and then do not close this one because you will need this information later. So after you have uploaded or downloaded the pictures, go to Canva, tap on create a design, look for YouTube Shorts, search it right here, click this one. And then what you're going to do is you have to basically upload or add the pictures or images here inside the Canva and then create a presentation. So you can look for a template here that you can use, or you can also start from scratch. Everything is up to you. So, for example, if I use this template right here, what you're going to do, or what I'm going to do is just double tap or drag the template to the blank space. Okay, so for example, this one right here. And once you have your template, then what you're going to do next is you have to upload those pictures that you have downloaded from the Amazon store. And then what you're going to do is replace these pictures with the images of those products. For example, this one right here. So all you have to do is to drag and then replace the product, and then that's it. You can add a voiceover. You can add whatever you want to add here, like background music, to make your video more captivating. So once done, and then you can save this. You can add more information. You can add more elements. Everything is up to you, make it more beautiful. So here, all you have to do is to just change, delete, add change the font style, font size, add elements, objects, and then make your presentation. And then once done, what you're going to do here is you have to tap on the share, tap on video. If you want, of course, you want to post this to your YouTube Shorts. And then once you're done, and then basically you can go to your YouTube and then upload. Now, if you want to start from scratch, it's okay. You can also start from scratch. As you can see this one right here. It's the same thing, just add the pictures like this. Okay. And then add captions, add some elements, add some effects and animation. Everything is up to you. And then again, once you're done, and then all you have to do here is to just basically tap on the share button and then download it as M4. So this is what it looks like. You could also do this with other elements like phones. Okay, not just for technologies. There are tons of templates that you can find here in Canva. Okay, so again, once you're done adding some information, what you're going to do is you have to basically tap on the share button and then click edit M4. So basically, that's it. Now, once you have your product or once you have your video with you, then you can go to your YouTube Shorts. So go and open your YouTube Shorts and then upload the video. Again, you have to make sure that you have the information, correct information here with the product. As you can see the name, you can add review if you want, but actually everything is up to you. Then here below, as you can see, there is this description. This is where you're going to add your link or that unique affiliate link that you can generate once you have registered in your platform, in that platform. Let's just say the Shopify or the Amazon. So Amazon will give you the unique affiliate link and all you have to do is to paste it right here. You also need to add disclaimer that you will earn commission once they purchase these products. And basically that's it. Then you can add tags, you can add related video, tap on next, schedule and upload. So basically, this is the easiest way on how to add affiliate link in YouTube Shorts. You can just basically go to other platforms right here and same thing, just create a content or video from this uh, sites, their products that you're going to promote, create a good video with the help of Canva or CapCut, and then upload it to your YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.